Ah man, it's been a long time since I got in front of the camera. I want to start off the video by saying thank you guys so much for getting me to 5,000 subs. I think I'm sitting at like 5,600. And yeah, thank you for everybody that comments, you know, whether it's positive or negative. Thank you for watching the videos and all the way to the end and giving them likes. And it's been really cool to see the fact that, you know, my channel's been growing while I've been taking a break. I wanted to also update you guys on where I've been. You know, my life's been pretty crazy these past few months. I started a job 5 months ago, and that's why I stopped uploading. You know, I haven't been able to. It's a sales job. I work door to door. It's been a huge learning curve and a big time investment, so I haven't been able to focus on anything else. But now that I'm starting to get settled in my job, I'm starting to really like get the hang of it. I feel like I want to start incorporating, you know, more YouTube videos into my schedule and, you know, try to upload for you guys once or twice a week. I just miss making content for you guys, so I'm excited to get back into it. I got a new pair of sneakers that I want to review. Got some basketball shoes I want to do a performance review on. Got some tutorials to make. If you have any suggestions at all, please leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I'm excited to be back. But that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Once again, thank you guys for 5,600 subs. Let's get to 10,000. I'll be doing a giveaway at 10K subs, and yeah, let's run up those numbers. Remember, have a blessed day and stay clacking. Peace.